everybody, welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. This is the fast growing update. Everything's going really good. I got them on the heat mats here. Just about everything's taken off, but there's one weird thing happening. The peas, which I've always had success with, are doing terrible. Nothing. It didn't work when I put them outside. They're supposed to like cool weather. Nothing happened. So I brought them in here. They're sitting on heat mats, probably not good for it. Nothing's happening. So I'm trying something different. Last year when I did peas, the instructions on the packet said soak your peas for 24 hours. I didn't do it this year because the peas I bought didn't say to do so. So that's what we're doing. I've got my peas in here. I got the Champions of England on the left and the Amish snaps on the right. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna soak them for 24 hours. I'll get them in the dirt and hope for the best as always. I'm also going to take some of those and put them outside in the raised garden just to see what happens. And that's it. Hey everybody, welcome back. So it's the next day. Looking at the peas, still no action whatsoever. As you remember yesterday, we put the peas in water. I thought I would try and soak them and we'll put them in. So let's go ahead and do that. I've got them right here. Got the Champions of England right in front of me. And I'm just gonna drop, I'm gonna put it dead center. And then, all the good dirt's outside, so I'm just gonna grab the seed starter that I have, pour it on top. I'm gonna make a little bit of a mess. I can live with that. Gonna do the same thing with the Amish snaps. Got 3. And I'm just going to drop them in, dead center again. Do the same thing with this. Like so. All right, we'll give it a week. We'll see what happens. Wish me luck, and thank you so much for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been 2 weeks since I last talked about these. Sorry for the delay, was out of town. Anyways, they're doing really great. I gotta get them outside, they're going outside today. I had a whole hardening off schedule for them, but realistically, I'm just gonna put them in the greenhouse. I think they'll be okay. I'm just gonna go over it. The peas are looking great. The Champions of England, they did okay. But the Amish snap, I got 3 plants. That ought to make the rabbits real happy, huh? Squash is taking off. I got 2 plants, super excited about that. Out of my beans, it looks like I have 1 good plant. I hope it takes because I'm really excited. I want some beans. I don't want those rabbits eating it. I got some extra Berkeley tie-dye tomatoes. Not sure I have room for them, but you know, we're gonna try. And finally, I've got a really good looking sage plant, so I'm pretty excited about that. The lavender beauties are looking a little slow. I was looking at my marigolds, they're really tiny. I think the lesson this year, I gotta plant stuff earlier. I know I trusted the labels, but they can be big. I was at the local farmer's market today. All their marigolds were this big. Mine are this big. We'll see what happens. If you got a local farmer's market though, I really encourage you to go. Boy, they have nice stuff. The dahlias are taking off though, so I'm super excited about that because they look so pretty, at least in the pictures. Finally, my morning glories. The blue ones, I got 2 out of 3 plants. Super excited because they're going to be gorgeous. And the Stars of Yalta, they're a little bit behind, but they sure are going to be pretty when they grow. Again, I got 2 out of 3 plants. This is why I always do 3 because you'll see some of those. I've got 1 bean. I planted 3 plants, identical seeds, identical depth, identical soil. I don't get it. I do, but I don't. Cover your bases. Okay, so we're going to get them outside. One other thing, I did not get anything directly in the ground this year. I was out of town, just didn't have time to get to it. So, next year's experiment. Anyways, looking forward to a really exciting garden. Thank you for watching, so appreciate it. Got that subscribe button right there if you're into it. Love it. Thank you so much and have a great afternoon. I hope your gardens are blooming too. See ya.